Hey guys, we're at West Ashley in Charleston, South Carolina. About to kick off Blue Collar Tour 2024. Let's get it.
For high school classes particularly, that it's excellent to try out all of them because they're free, right? There's really no cost of entry. Give them a shot, try them out, realize what you like, and start to pick from there. I feel like it puts them in a tough spot when they go to college. You're coming out with debt, you're coming out on the bottom of the totem pole on any job you're gonna work, regardless of where you go. Somebody's gonna get their money back, and they don't care if you're making $40,000 a year and you took out $100,000 in loans. For the student, I think it sets them up for success in the future joining a trade. You know, they're not having to pay debt back. They're just going in, they're working, and they're learning a skill that will help them even at their house.
From the bottom of our hearts, Western Welding Academy wants to say thank you. Thank you for allowing us to be here. We couldn't do this if it wasn't for you. Ultimately, if it wasn't for you guys. Everybody, let's give them a round of applause! Thank you so much. We really appreciate what you do. Now, you students, you need to look up to him. Listen to what he says. He gets here and he does this every day to benefit you guys. He does it for you. He's working to build a better generation. So always look up to him, ask him great questions, get inspired. Great man that you have right here. Once again, let's give it a round for him. Our country faces a national security threat of a lack of blue-collar workers. People to build the houses, the framers, the electricians to run the electricity, to charge your phones and turn on your lights. We're missing the plumbers to run the water and get rid of your waste. And the welders to weld the bridges and build the buildings and glue together this great nation. So what we do as Western Welding Academy, we travel around to inspire kids to find a blue-collar trade. I know a lot of men and women that make a lot of good money and a good living working with their hands. So don't let people tell you that college is the only option and the only way. Get inspired, work with your hands, find a trade, and we can together build this great nation. It is super important. So like I said, and I'll say it again, find a trade, be passionate, and together we can build America. Blue Collar Tour 2024!
What's up, guys? We're wrapping it up in West Ashley, Charleston, South Carolina. It was a beautiful day today. Met a lot of really good people. We're gonna spool this up and we're gonna head over to Rockingham, North Carolina. See what's up over there, guys. Blue Collar Tour 2024. Let's get it.
Let's build America!